Welcome to Taylor's channel. In my hands, these are called Dragonfruit, and because it contains lots of useful minerals and vitamins, and become more and more popular these days. And more people start growing dragon fruit, but they find there's a challenge in it because they don't flower, they don't have fruits. And today I'm going to show you a few things. It might help you to overcome that difficulties. Some people like me have grown dragon fruit plants for years without any fruit, simply thinking the more the plants grow, the more the fruits you will have, which obviously didn't work for me. After learning a few techniques, I decided to cut off the extra branches so that nutrients could concentrate on a few existing branches and encourage them to grow flowers and hopefully more fruits. The cut-off branches can be planted in new pots. A few months later, I spent about 250 Australian dollars for new large pots and good soil which is suitable for dragon fruit. Repotting the new plants which already have roots growing on them. Later, I spent another $250 for the timber materials and made trailers for the existing dragon fruit plants. I painted the trellises with the leftover house paint to protect my investments. The first comment I received was, with $500, you can buy a lot of dragon fruits. At that moment, I started to doubt myself, thinking, is it really worth the money and effort I have spent? From then on, I watched my dragon fruit plants grow. I saw small flower buds came out. They slowly turned into beautiful flowers. The flowers only bloom for one night. They begin to wilt when sun comes out and shines on them. In this limited window, my bees came to collect pollen, dancing around the flowers. This made me very excited to watch. For me, growing dragon fruits are worth it. The sense of achievement, the enjoyment of the experience are not to be measured by money. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'll share with you with the money-saving methods to build better trailers and tips and tricks to better grow dragon fruits in my future videos. So please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and share it to others. We can all enjoy our lives together. Thank you.